I own basically every flagship earphone available on the market. Now, when Sony said that the new XM6s are the best noise cancelling earphones available on the market, I had to check it out. All right, let's check this bad boy out. Okay, you can immediately see the pillbox design on the Sonys. They're relatively okay in size, right? They're not too big, they're not too small. Let's just chuck that away. In fact, let's put this aside and let's see what else we have in the box. So we have undoubtedly an app for Sony. I mean, we have apps everywhere, right? So let's just open this up. I'm sure there's just more pamphlets inside here. Yep, it's just some more pamphlets as you'd expect. That's no problem at all. And now you've got the various tips for the earbuds. These are pretty cool because they're foam, I believe. I believe they're a mix, the same with the AirPod Pro 3s, where they've got a silicone outside and then a foam inside. That being said, this feels like it's all foam. We'll see as we get through it. Now you've got a USB-A to USB-C connector. I don't know how I feel about USB-A anymore. Even just being a connector on the other side, I think it's okay. I'll save my thoughts. But anyway, putting those aside, let's look at the actual earphones themselves. Now, this pillbox is relatively small. Relatively small. I've got the AirPod Pro 3s right here. You can see the difference between the two in terms of the sizing, the thickness, length. This is slightly bigger. It's not too big. It's not too big. It has more of a sharp edge, but it's still pretty good. Just for comparison's sake, these are the AirPod Pro 2s. Now, if we just do a comparison against all three, if you could fit that in frame, the AirPod Pro 2s are a little bit smaller, but it's all good. Now, the XM6s, these are a matte finish. I believe the previous ones were glossy, which is all good. Let's open them up. Ooh, okay. These feel pretty good. Premium. Matte finish again, not glossy. They feel a little bit more grippier. I can't remember. Between the previous ones. But look, it's nice. Now, from the specs and what I've been told is that you've got 4 mics per earbud. You've got a new driver, 32-bit processing. Now, Sony reckons it's 25% better noise cancelling than the XM5s. I don't have the XM5, so I can't really tell, but that's good. It sounds good, at least in theory. At least we'll compare it to the AirPod Pro 3s, which should be really good. Now, in terms of battery life, there's 24 hours battery total. This is, of course, wireless charging. I say of course because most earbuds nowadays are wirelessly charged or able to be charged. IPX4 rating, which is okay. What's not okay is these are really expensive. These were $500 Australian. That's really expensive. Really expensive. So I'm not sure how I feel about that. And that just means I'm going to have to do a good review on these and let you know. So if you want a review on the XM6s, let me know down below in the comment section. And especially if you want a comparison against the AirPod Pro 3s or the AirPod Pro 2s, let me know and I'll see you on the next video. And I figured why not actually see how these feel while I have them. Yeah. It's already pairing. Where's my phone? It's over there. Okay, these feel pretty good. These feel very good. They feel very light. They're touch sensitive, so just like all earphones nowadays, apart from Shocks, which have physical buttons. I'm constantly getting this prompt in my ears saying pairing. Wow, even the passive noise isolation is really good. Yeah, okay. This is really interesting. I'm so curious to know how these actually feel and how these will turn out, how they sound. Let's see. Let me know down in the comment section below if you want me to give you a full review of the Sony XM6's wireless earbuds.